Hi guys, welcome to our review beauty channel, the encyclopedia of beauty brands. I am back with the brand Mieux, which if you don't know yet, it's translated the best from the French. And I'm holding here their truly award-winning product. This is Isocell Recovery Solution. Well, that's basically your toner, but the toner that really does things, like really does it. It's not just the water you put in your face. It nourishes and soothes. But good news is that it's absolutely safe for people with acne-prone and oily skin, because sometimes people with this types of skin also might have some dry patches, dehydration, inflammation from all the acne products that we're using. But this product is really unique recovery solution. It has amino acids and beneficial minerals, magnesium, potassium, zinc. They instantly soothe and support the stressed skin. So it's easy to just spray it all over your face. You could use it throughout the day, say if it's hot or humid. Not like thermal water. Thermal water will dry your face out if it's hot outside, so remember that. When you put this toner on, you could even feel some salty, it tastes a little salty, so I guess due to the minerals. It enhances moisture retention and keeps the skin calm, hydrated throughout the day. You could use it even not only on your face but on your body. Say you got a sunburn, you could use it. It will definitely help to soothe the skin. You could reapply as needed. And I would say, because it's a spray bottle, just avoid the direct contact with your eyes. You obviously could use a cotton pad, but I just like to spray it all over. Do not forget your décolletage area. If you look at the ingredients, it really has no fragrance, which is good. It has all types of minerals here, as you see. It has deionized water, which is good. And it's made in USA. It's a relatively large bottle, 180 milliliters. I definitely recommend this product, guys. It's not outrageously expensive. It's around $20-something. You could check it on their website. And if you like this video, put the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you later.